guys. Hey, what's up guys? Gian here of Gadget Pilipinas, back once again for another video. While we all try to stay at home, it is unavoidable for most of us to go on and carry out essential tasks and activities. In fact, having protective health equipment is more important than ever. Here at Gadget Pilipinas, we advocate the use of face masks because it really helps lessen the risk of contracting this deadly virus that has been killing millions of people. Oh, before I continue, here's a quick word from our sponsor, Canon Pixma. Every moment in the family is worth preserving. A single snap using your smartphone can help you treasure each moment and immortalize it even further by printing it with the Canon Pixma G670. This is the one. The Canon Pixma G670 printer features Chroma Life 100, which helps preserve the quality and color of photos up to 30, 50, or even 100 years. Now, while this may depend on storing conditions, you know that the photos you're going to print can last for a long time. Most scholars agree that a generation lasts for about 30 to 40 years. So, this means that your photos printed using the Canon Pixma G670 can last for a maximum of 3 generations, which is an impressive commitment from a company that values your unforgettable moments and memories. The printer has 6 color inks, now with red and gray colors for more vibrant and sharper images, on top of the usual cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. These additional colors make your photos more vibrant and lifelike. The inks are widely available and can easily be refilled. The ink refilling process is spill-free and stops when the ink tank is full. Now, in case you're wondering about the number of prints you can do with this printer, you'll be glad to know that this can print up to 3,800 vibrant 4-hour prints at very low cost. The printer is also equipped with a 2-line mono LCD display for easy navigation and to confirm print settings. If you've got a smartphone or tablet or even a laptop, you can print on the fly by accessing your printer via mobile and cloud printing. The new Canon Pixma G670 is now available for $16,095 with 1-year free warranty and free service pickup and delivery for the first 3 months. Visit the Canon authorized stores near you. Don't forget to follow the Canon online stores as well in Lazada and Shopee. Canon also has a Viber community where they host exclusive promos and offers.
Well, hello there.
Just in case you guys are not aware, tech consumers like LG and Philips and even Razer have been very active in introducing new protective health equipment. One of the products that was introduced by Razer last CES was their state-of-the-art and gamer lifestyle-focused face mask with voice amplifier and changer. That got me really excited, and sa totoo lang, once that officially releases, the first thing I would do is to try a Darth Vader voice on it. Unfortunately, while that has already been launched, it might still take a few months from now for consumers to get their hands on it. Thankfully, LG announced the second iteration of their PuriCare, but this time sports a voice amplification feature. What LG did is they took the best features of the first iteration to the upgraded version. It features a fully automatic fan airflow control system that increases breathing comfort while also using 2 H13 HEPA filters, the same found in the premium air purifiers that I mentioned before, to improve air quality. With an ultra-small and lightweight motor, the device's dual fans work with LG's airflow control technology, which detects its user's breathing pattern and adjusts airflow accordingly to help the wearer breathe easier and more naturally. This also prevents a common problem for those wearing glasses along with a mask, the lenses fogging up when exhaling. Its seamless, ergonomic design minimizes air leakage around the nose and chin, sealing gently but firmly to the wearer's face. At just 94 grams, the device is comfortable to wear even for long periods of time and is perfect for everyday use. Now, to make it easier to communicate with others while wearing the PuriCare wearable air purifier, LG has introduced its VoiceOn technology, employing a microphone and speaker built into the device itself. VoiceOn helps clearly project the user's voice so they can be heard and understood without issue. Walang voice on yung first LG PuriCare, which is actually one of my major concerns with this one. Thankfully, they have it now on this second generation. Now, here is how I sound while wearing the LG PuriCare with voice on. This is a microphone test using the LG PuriCare with voice on. There's a microphone inside the mask, and this is the speaker. Hello, test mic 1, 2. Hello, test mic 1, 2. I'll move it a feet away. Hello, test mic 1, 2. Now, before I tell you my full experience about this, here's everything you can find inside the box. Of course, the new LG PuriCare mask with voice on, 2 H13 HEPA filters that you can replace once a month, 1-piece face guard, 30 pieces inner cover, which is best to replace at least once a day or as needed, and an ear strap and extender, and a carrying pouch. Unfortunately, the face guard and inner covers only fit the new LG PuriCare mask. This means that you cannot use your old accessories to this particular version. I guess this is just a small price to pay for a device that really protects you from the risk of contracting the disease. Installing the accessories is actually a breeze. You just have to put the HEPA filters to the new hidden valves of the LG PuriCare. It is located on this particular section. And the next thing you need to do is to install an inner cover and put on the face guard for maximum comfort. It snaps right in because it is magnetic. The face guard, as I mentioned, has magnets which will allow you to latch it easily on the PuriCare mask. Turning on the masks changed quite a bit. Before, you have to do it from this side, but this time you can do it at the bottom. Fan speed is from low, medium to high. Now, to turn it on, you just have to press and hold the switch until you hear a single beep, and pressing it will increase and decrease the speed of the fans. If you're wondering how you can turn on the voice-on technology, it is automatically turned on when the fans are set to medium. So whenever you hear 2 sounds or 2 beeps, that is actually when the voice-on is enabled. Unfortunately, there is neither a way to further increase its volume nor turn it on while the fans are set to low or high. There's also no way for you to change or put any effects on its microphone. So, hindi ka po pwedeng look, I am your father, whatever that is. Do not think of this as something that will allow you to say that or maybe change your voice or anything along those lines. However, the voice-on technology, despite its limitations, is a very important improvement on the new LG PuriCare compared to the old one. The voice pickup has around 500 milliseconds delay based on my observation, which is definitely acceptable. This means that if you want the words that you would want to say would be heard, be sure to have an initial voice pickup like or ah, which will give the microphone or the mask some time to pick up whatever you want to say. Ibig sabihin nito, kapag nagsalita ka, hindi agad maririnig yung first line or first word that you will say. For instance, if I say, I am Gian, they would probably hear first, am Gian, because the I would be considered as sort of like a pickup. No? So I would say, you make a noise, hi guys, my name is Gian, para marinig nila yung buong statement. No? Now, in terms of filtration, I have high confidence that medical and the protection standards are set and followed on the filters used on the mask. This is not an affordable mask, and to say the least, and it would be a shame if its performance is lower than the experience I've had with the first generation. Respiratory regulation is one of the key aspects of this smart mask thanks to its dual inverter with respiratory sensor. It smartly understands the volume of air needed to provide the optimum airflow for the user. I'll kid you not, guys. Breathing with this mask is one of the things that I really appreciate. If you're just using a regular N95 mask on top of a surgical mask, for instance, it will be a little harder to breathe. Now, what happens is that the dual inverter fans here actually smartly detects your breathing pattern and helps you breathe, in the process. In fact, it can handle up to a maximum of 55 liters per minute of air volume. That's how efficient it is. Now, in terms of battery performance, this can go up to a maximum of 8 hours of usage from full charge. Fully charging it is around 2 hours, based on my observation. Now, let's talk about price and availability. As I mentioned before, this is not an affordable mask. However, affordability is a relative term, especially when we're talking about features and benefits you can get from a particular product. While other masks can definitely satisfy or meet certain user needs, I believe that everything that this new PuriCare mask warrants, that's $9,799 it asks for. That's it for our video today. Thank you so much for watching. Again, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, this is the best time to do so. You can also catch us via Discord at discord.gg/GadgetPilipinas and Facebook. Just search for Gadget Pilipinas. Again, this has been Gian, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye!